Hi and welcome back to channel, guys. This is the video regarding the Toyota Prius generation 3, which is from 2009 and up to 2015. Some of them they are in the 16 as well. This is the speedometer, which is this is the right side where it shows all the information about the car and hybrid system, etc, etc. And that's in Japanese. Actually, it can be converted. We can convert it for you if somebody need it, and we can post it. The link of the purchase is in the description, and we can apply the same mileage whatever you have, or whatever the mileage is required. And secondly, this is the other part, which is showing the speed, fuel, and it says kilometers per liter, but basically what happens if this speedometer, the main cluster side, which is on the left side in the UK, if that is in the miles, then it will show the speed in miles, even though this kilometer per hour is highlighted or illuminated. Basically the speed will be 100% guaranteed. It will be in miles, but the kilometer per hour sign will be there. So this is the part, and this one is the second part, which is on the right hand side, which shows the speed. These are the mostly goes faulty, and they don't work. So these are available, and in the next video I can show you how to replace them as well. So this is the part 1 video. The part 2 video will be uploaded soon. So that is for Toyota Prius, and the link of the purchase for the eBay or Gumtree, that's in the description. And also there is a direct number as well. We can replace these for you. Whatever parts do you need, we can replace it, and with the guarantee. Our address is mentioned in the description as well, and including the contact number. We can replace it while you wait. The back side of the speedometer is here. Here is the part number, which is for the right hand side. This is not suitable for left hand drive. And the back side of the left hand side, which is on the speedometer and showing the information, big screen, and it has the part number here, which you can see like this. And here is the part. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.